Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash? Have you considered using your drone to make money? In this video, we'll explore 7 profitable ideas for making money with a drone. From aerial photography to surveying, we'll cover it all. We'll provide tips for getting started, the equipment you'll need, and how to market your services. If you're ready to turn your hobby into a side hustle, this video is for you. Before that, we have to know what drones are and how they work. What are drones? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously using pre-programmed flight plans. They are equipped with cameras, sensors, and other advanced technology that allows them to capture high-quality images and data from the air. Okay, now let's see how it works. Drones work by using a combination of sensors, GPS, and advanced algorithms to fly through the air and perform a variety of tasks. They are powered by batteries and equipped with motors and rotors that allow them to take off, fly, and land safely. Hey guys, you can ask what the advantages of drones are. Let's see. Drones can access areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to reach, such as disaster zones, construction sites, and high-altitude locations. Drones are cost-effective and can perform more tasks more efficiently than traditional methods, saving time and resources. Drones can capture high-quality images and data that can be used for a variety of applications, from mapping and surveying to scientific research and environmental monitoring. Now, let's come on to the main topic. Today we'll be sharing 7 ways that you can use your drone to make money. The first field is aerial photography. Aerial photography is a way to make money with your drone by offering clients unique and stunning aerial shots of real estate, events, or landscapes. Drones can capture angles and perspectives that were previously impossible to achieve with traditional photography. So to offer professional aerial photography services, you'll need to invest in a high-quality camera, drone, and editing software. Researching local laws and regulations regarding drone usage for commercial purposes is also important to ensure that you're operating legally and safely. With the increasing demand for aerial photography services, there is a great opportunity to turn your passion for drones into a profitable business. Providing high-quality and visually appealing aerial photographs can set you apart from the competition and establish a loyal customer base. Now, let's talk about an important field, surveying. How can we earn from this field? Offering surveying services is another way to make money from your drone. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can quickly and accurately survey construction sites, agricultural land, and other areas. This can save companies time and money, making it a valuable service to offer. To get started with offering surveying services, you will need to invest in a drone with GPS and surveying software. These tools will enable you to accurately measure distances, areas, and volumes, and create 3D models of sites. It's also important to have a good understanding of surveying principles and techniques to provide accurate and reliable data to your clients. As the demand for surveying services continues to increase, there are many opportunities to start a successful drone surveying business. Providing accurate and timely data to clients can help you establish a strong reputation and build a loyal customer base. Are you interested in inspection services? So let's discuss. Using drones for inspection services is another way to make money with your drone. Drones can be used to inspect hard-to-reach areas such as rooftops or bridges. This is particularly useful for companies that need to inspect large structures, as it saves time and minimizes safety risks for workers. If you have experience in inspection or construction, offering drone inspection services can be a profitable venture. You'll need to invest in a drone with high-quality cameras and sensors that can capture detailed images and data. Additionally, you will need to be trained in inspection techniques and regulations specific to the industry that you're servicing. Offering drone inspection services can help you establish a strong reputation for providing accurate and reliable data to your clients. As the demand for inspection services continues to grow, there are many opportunities to start a successful drone inspection business. Moving on to the next is search and rescue. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras can be used in search and rescue operations, making them valuable tools for emergency services. Drones can quickly search large areas for missing people or animals and locate them, even in challenging terrain or conditions. If you have experience in search and rescue or are willing to obtain the necessary training, offering drone search and rescue services can be a rewarding and a potentially lucrative venture. You will need to invest in a drone with a high-quality thermal imaging camera and be trained in search and rescue techniques and protocols to operate effectively in emergencies. Providing drone search and rescue services can help save lives and provide assistance to emergency services in challenging situations. As the demand for drone search and rescue services continues to increase, there are many opportunities to start a successful business in this field while making a positive impact on your community. Oh, I forgot to talk about the agricultural field. Drones help earn money in this field. Let's go through it. Drones equipped with multi-spectral cameras can be used for agricultural purposes, such as crop monitoring and analysis. These drones can capture data such as plant health, soil moisture levels, and other vital information related to crops. The data collected can help farmers optimize their crop yield and save money on resources. To offer agricultural drone services, you will need to invest in a drone with the necessary sensors and analysis software. You'll also need to be trained in agricultural techniques and be able to understand the data collected by the drone. This will help you provide more accurate and reliable advice to farmers based on the data. Offering agriculture drone services can be a profitable venture as the demand for precision farming and sustainable agriculture increases. Providing farmers with accurate and actionable data can help them make informed decisions and improve their crop yields. It can also contribute to the overall sustainability of the agricultural industry by reducing resource waste and increasing efficiency. Now let's talk about deliveries. With advancing technology, drones are being used for package deliveries. Companies such as Amazon are already using drones to deliver small packages, and this trend is likely to continue. If you're interested in offering drone delivery services, it can be a profitable business venture. However, it's essential to ensure that you comply with the local regulations and have the necessary licenses to operate. To start a drone delivery service, you'll need to invest in a high-quality drone with a payload capacity capable of carrying packages. You'll also need to develop the necessary software and infrastructure to manage and track deliveries. Additionally, you'll need to establish partnerships with businesses that require drone delivery services. Offering drone delivery services can be a profitable business venture as it saves time and minimizes costs compared to traditional delivery methods. However, regulations surrounding drone deliveries are continually evolving, and it's essential to keep up to date with the changes to ensure compliance. As the demand for drone delivery services increases, there are many opportunities to start a successful drone delivery business, but it's crucial to approach the venture with a comprehensive understanding of the regulatory landscape and the commitment to safety and responsibility. Finally, do you love videography? Then try this. Another way to make money with your drone is by offering videography services. Drones are ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage for events such as weddings, concerts, or music videos. The unique perspective offered by drones can add a cinematic feel to the footage, making it an attractive service for clients. To offer professional videography services, you'll need to invest in a high-quality camera, drone, and editing software. It's also essential to have a creative eye and a strong understanding of videography techniques to produce high-quality footage. Additionally, it's crucial to comply with the local regulations and ensure safety protocols are in place during the operation of the drone. Offering drone videography services can be a lucrative business venture as there is a growing demand for aerial footage in the entertainment and marketing industries. Drones can capture footage that traditional videography equipment cannot, and clients are often willing to pay a premium for the unique perspective offered by drone footage. As with any drone-based business, safety and compliance are of utmost importance, and it's essential to ensure that you have the necessary licenses and insurance in place to operate commercially. That's it for our video on how to make money with a drone. We hope you found these ideas useful and inspiring. Remember to research local regulations and safety guidelines before offering any commercial drone services. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video.